Color matters in data visualization. Why is color matters in data visualization? Colors affect our perception of information we take in from the world around us. So it's important to properly use color in your data visualization. Colors can either aid in communication or distract from it. The role theory in data visualization. As a data practitioner seeking to create effective visualization, you should familiarize yourself with the principles of color theory and what effects they can have in your visual displays, especially if you aren't classically trained in design. So let's dive in. Why is colors important in data visualization? Color selection in data visualization is not merely an aesthetic choice, it is a crucial tool to convey quantitative information. Properly selected colors convey the underlying data accurately, in contrast to many color schemes commonly used in visualization that distorts relationships between data values. What is color theory? In the visual arts, color theory is the body of practical guidance for color mixing and the visual effects of a specific color combination. Color terminology based on the color wheel and its geometry separates colors into primary colors, secondary colors, and tertiary colors. The understanding of color theory dates to antiquity. Why is color theory useful? Colors can allow anyone to create different types of feelings depending on the particular colors they utilize. Color theory allows us to understand how to make use of these colors in order to create different effects and create the desired emotions. Thank you.